Namaskar students, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session as linear programming problem curriculum, we shall discuss today about transportation problem, and for the sake of convenience of understanding and to see the actual face of the numerical problem, I would like to share a screen with you and suggest that kindly please write. This is the manufacturing problem. So please write. Let us either take a screenshot of this numerical problem or write down. Please. Manufacturing problem. Manufacturing problem in linear program. Manufacturing problem in linear programming. So, what this question states, please write. A manufacturing company makes two models. A manufacturing company makes two models, capital A and capital B, of a product. Okay? Then write it further. Each piece of model capital A, each piece of model capital A requires 9 labor hours for fabricating and 1 labor hour for finishing. Again, I am repeating, each piece of model capital A requires 9 labor hours for fabricating and 1 labor hour for finishing. Full stop. Each piece of model capital B, each piece of model capital B requires 12 hours, 12 labor hours, 12 labor hours for fabricating and 3 labor hours for finishing. For fabricating and finishing, the maximum labor hours available are 180 and 30 respectively. Again, I am repeating, for fabricating and finishing, the maximum labor hours available are 180 and 30 respectively. The company makes a profit of rupees 8,000 on each piece of model A and 12,000 on each piece of model B. How many pieces of model A and B should be manufactured per week? How many pieces of model A and model B should be manufactured per week to realize a maximum profit? What is the maximum profit per week? This is your problem, and students, your talent will be reflected. How? If you will be able to formulate this numerical problem, because after formulation it will be easy for you to draw the graph and then to analyze the result as per the need of the question. So firstly, we are going to formulate this numerical problem, as I always used to say in all, you can say, numerical problems of linear programming, that you have to learn the process, that how the statement is converted into inequations, into constants, into objective functions into special constants. So if you have the, you can say, knowledge of formulation, then you have won the 50% battle and you have secured at least 30% marks of your numerical problem just by formulating the, you can say, this type of statements that is written in your question papers. So students, here is the, suppose, let us write, suppose X is the number of pieces of model A and small y is the number of pieces of model B, and by the question you are saying here you have how many, 8,000 and 12,000 pieces model of, so 8,000 X plus 12,000 Y, this is your Z, this is the objective function. Also vibrating constant is what, 9x plus 12y, here is what, 9 hour and 12 hours. No, so you can see this 9x plus 12y less than or equal to, the limitation is 180, here is 180 and 30. So you are writing here, this is limiting to 180. So you can take 3 from common from these two, you can take 3. Then this will be 3x and this will be 4y and 3 will be dividing this 120. So this will be giving 60. The next constant is what? Finishing constant, you know, x plus 3y. X plus 3y is 30. Here is what? 30? No. So this is 30. And I hope again you have two inequations that will be playing very important role here. That is this equation 3 and equation 4. With the help of these two equations, again you are going to find 4 different coordinates, and the 4 different coordinates will be allocated in the first quadrant because of the fact here x is positive and y is also positive. So let us solve this as usual by the method of inspection, by putting x is equal to 0, then y is equal to what, 15, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 20. No, and no, you can put here x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 10, 3y, and y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 30. So these are the points you can get, and you can draw the graph easily, and by satisfying by these 4 points, these, and these, to these in equations 2 and 3, those points which are satisfying to the equations 2 and 3 will be supposed as the, you can say, the feasible points, and the region that will be allocated by these points will be feasible region. And as usual you used to do in your you can say graphical method, you can solve and you can get the maximum value of this. Students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any query or any doubt, I suggest you that kindly write your comment in the inbox. I will definitely resolve your query from there. And during your live session, you can also put, if you are having any doubt or any, you can say, confusion on any aspect of this numerical. Thank you very much for enjoying and listening this lecture. Thanks once again. Thanks, students.